Fourth man is Michael Kinay, the substitute referee. Ball is up and we are underway. JJ. Yung pinag-uusapan namin ni Coach Louie last time, how he's become a very... talaga? Gusto mo palitan na kita?
Ako na lang. Yun nga yung ibig ko sabihin eh.
Kasi, alam nyo guys.
Dekada na yan sa coaching.
I remember him as the coach in the NBA. As Andre Dada knocks down the three.
Corner 3.
Chavez, Pobres rather, drives and scores.
Meron na siyang 4 rebounds and 2 points. Ito yung empty corner, yan yung reject. O 2 taon na iwanan yung help side, napakalalim pa. So Pobres with that layup beating 3.
Sino?
Si Manilin Reyes.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome back!
Reyes!
Nice na pass!
Team to kasama. Panoorin natin ang play of the game brought to you by Suzuki. The wraparound and the pass galing kay Renz Palma. This wraparound has been a trademark para kay Renz Palma, and the finish galing kay Ryan Reyes. That's our Suzuki play of the game as we head into this timeout.
Viernes and Karandang, yung tatlong contributor, tig-isa sila dun sa tatlong tres na yan. Palma, drive sa gitna.
Naabutan ko pa yung game ng USA. Naabutan ko pa yung game ng USA.
Sulit naman, sulit.
Oo.
Grabe yun.
Nakarating naman na ako na sa bahay nung nag-night-night. 21-19. Celes to Usikos. Back to Jason. Jason probing. Back to Ken. That's money para kay Ken.
Minute mark.
Celes puts his head down.
Nice.
Na-atake over Chavez.
Is different in a really good way dahil mas nabibigyan siya ng oras para ipakita ang talent niya. Kung sa Nueva Ecija, isa siya sa mga bata.
Back the other way for Bulacan. Montero attacks and he laid in for 2. That's short. The Pobres to Palma. And make sure
Finishing.
may too small pa na celebration.
Oo. Hindi natin nakita yun on live play. Side step.
Pobres. Finish.
He throws ang katumbas. Go ahead pass. Pobres, no side step. Had a guy in the corner, pero ang ganda ng basa niya. Took it strong to the hoop.
Doesn't drop. Ng Bulacan, only 1 foul in the period. Palma up top.
Natin ulit yan mamaya. Eto. Rebound, forward pass. Eye in the sky play. Miss. Flores. Clean up.
Chavez to Formento.
Good fake.
That's gonna count. Española swings it over to Renz Palma. Attacks middle. Kick out. Pobres. It's good. Rebounds and 6 assists. Inside. Ramos with the offensive rebound. Nice no-look pass to Española. Española picks up his dribble. Bricks Ramos. Crossover. Bricks. Oh, nice step.
7 seconds, and he has that ability to put the ball on the floor, make a breakdown move, sidestep, finishing with the right hand. A man in the corner, which I thought could have stunted, maybe to delay the shot. Itong si Renz Palma.
Reyes, look
nitpicking.
Ooh, that's a nice reward for himself. A personal highlight. Oh, nice pass.
Yes.
Ramos again. To Reyes.
4.
Watch this fast break of the game brought to you by SportsMax, powered by PlayMax, the official online entertainment partner of the MPBL. Win to the max. And you see, the team wants to take on Usikos.
Everybody's just watching.
But
And turnover there.
Oh, nag-flash sa gitna si Reyes.
Pero alanganin yung pasa.
Top of the key, getting careless with the basketball there was Renz Palma. Celes, alanganin na fast break pero
Off-ball movement. Last 3 possessions. Parang nanonood na sine mga kasama. Kung sino man yung may hawak ng bola. Ang ganda naman.
cannot, I can't seem to fathom, no? Paano nalagay na laro ni Dada that time with the runner off the glass.
Tandaan mo, ang inabot ko, Richie Rivero na.
Pareho lang. Paano pareho lang tayo?
Ramos! Ito ba?
15 points ang lamang. Dada on the move. Dada nakawala sa depensa and that rolls in. We go to Flores, free to shoot. The fadeaway from JR. Stable na stable.
Beautiful. Professional move right there. Not a lot of players in the PBL can do that and turn that on.
Quarter scoring. Negros winning all 3 quarters. 19-14 the first. Second 23-15. Third 24-21. Longa, 3-pointer. It's good. 16.
And I like yung strategy ni Coach Bonnie. First of all, this is only a 19-point lead. I say only because tulad yan, 3 teams pretty much play only once a week. Obviously, 29 teams, 6 playing days, 3 games per day. You do the math. No.
Palma. 5 on the shot clock. Renz bobbled the basketball. Longa will fire 3. It's good. Again. Celis to Karandang. 3. That won't go. Baltasar. Oh, ganda ng Pectus. It goes to Longa. One dribble pull up para kay Pio. Longa.
Wala, malayo yung talbog.
Oh.
Not for you.
Samonte on the move. There's a double team. And another basket for Bulacan. Salindong. And
Si Palma.